One measuring apparatus that we can use to measure force is a spring balance, a Newton meter. Yeah, some might say it as spring balance, the other might say it as Newton meter. And how to do it? I just put a load here, and then you can see that it's going down, right? Yeah, you can see that it is 1. It show you 1. So the force of this is 1 Newton. So the weight of this is 1 Newton. The weight is 1 Newton. The force is 1 Newton. 3 Newton's law. The first law is inertia. See this load here? Okay. Without any force, without anything applied on it, it will stay there. See, it stays there, and it can move if I give force. If I didn't give force, it will stay there. So, inertia. Object will move if force applied to it. Object will accelerate if force applied on it. Second law, which is resultant force equal to mass times acceleration. Resultant force equal to mass times acceleration. The bigger the force I gave to this, the bigger the force that I gave, the acceleration will also bigger. The smaller the force, the smaller the acceleration. So if you want to have object to move, accelerate, you need bigger force. But if you want to have the object accelerate smaller, you give smaller force. What is resultant force? Okay, let's see this object. Okay, this object here, I want to make this trolley to move. Okay, I want to make this trolley move, so it needs force. It needs force. Okay, I give force here. I use this one so you can know how big the force that I gave to this trolley. Okay, so you can see how big that I gave the trolley to move. Okay, this it should move, right? Okay, but yeah, like this it will move. But if I block the force given here, the object will not move, right? I block the force here, so it will not move. So actually here you have the force there going that way, and then you have another force going that way. So resultant force is the net force working to this trolley. The net force. The result, the force going that way, the result of the force going this way. Okay, let's try to move this trolley in both directions. What will happen? Okay, which one bigger? The force going to my left or the force going to my right? How about this one? Which one bigger? The force going to my right or the force going to my left? Newton is action reaction. Sometimes it cannot be seen clearly, but I think this one you can see it clearly. I give force to this ruler. Okay, I give force and then see what happens. For every action, for every force that I give, there's a reaction occur with the opposite and the same value. For every action, there will be a reaction which is opposite and the value is the same, action, reaction. If you did the same to this one, maybe you cannot see it clearly, but action, reaction clearly occur.